No pencil sketch, only monochromatic watercolor with shadows create gestures of human anatomy. Hello, welcome back to my channel Art with Jayanta, and I am Jayanta Singh. In this drawing workshop, the students will learn to paint the model using monochromatic watercolor in order to quickly capture light and form. They will develop a rich vocabulary of mark making, which they will learn to use to reveal the volumes of the human body. The human figure is a source of endless inspiration. Every figure and every pose is unique. While a challenging subject, the skills you acquire in painting the figure, compositions, selectivity, judging values, etc. are the same skills you need for any subject. If you are successful painting the figure, you can paint just about anything. Because I generally paint figures for short pose, it helps me to paint quickly and focused and to edit out unnecessary details. Watercolor is a wonderful medium for working quickly and spontaneously. It is the perfect medium for capturing the dominant shapes and gestures of a pose while editing the less significant details. I love watching washes of different colors mingle on the paper to suggest the cool and warm tones of the figure. I love contrasting soft edges for modeling forms with hard edges for depicting cast shadows. You can see here, this is abstract figures, but with only shadows, how I create the gestures of a human anatomy. So beginners, hope you will enjoy it, and it is very interesting drawing technique. So please watch my full video, and if you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. thank you for watching my video. Hope you enjoy it, and if you like my video, please subscribe my channel.